Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Abacus Fun. In previous videos, we have seen how the addition operation is performed using the abacus. In this video, we are going to look into the details of how addition is performed on each individual numbers. So, let's get started. Let's see how to add 1. Whenever we want to add 1 and there is no sufficient space, then we have to add 5, that is the boss, and less 4. What is 4? That is one's friend, small friend, right? So whenever the space isn't sufficient, then we have to add the boss less the friend. I hope you got this rule. Okay, so let's see these sums which are based on these rules. First, add 2. Okay, adding, this is our units rod, so let's add 2. Again add 2, that is simple. And now add 1. Do we have sufficient space left? No, we don't have a space to add 1. So what will we do? Follow this rule. That is, add the boss. First we will add 5. And what is one's friend? One's friend is 4. So simply subtract 4. You get your answer. That is 5. Now let's see the second sum. Add 1. Then add 3. Add 3. Okay. Then we have to add 1. Similar as previous one. That is, we have to add the boss and subtract the friend of 1. What is one's friend? 4. So we get the answer 5. Next, add 4. Add 4. Okay. Then add 1. Do we have space to add 1? No. So add the friend. Add the boss and subtract friend. After that, add 3. Add 3 directly. We get the answer 8. Add 3, again add 1 and 1 again. Now we don't have space, so add the boss, subtract friend. That's the answer, 5. I hope you got this, means adding 1. It's quite easy. Now let's see how to add 2. Whenever we don't have sufficient space to add 2, we are going to add the boss, that is 5, and subtract 2's friend. What is 2's friend? We have seen it previously. That is 2's friend is 3. So let's use this rule and solve the sums. So add 1. Okay, add 1. Then add 2. Add 2. Again add 2. Do we have space to add 2? No. So let's add the boss. And what is 2's friend? 2's friend is 3. So subtract it. We have the answer, that is 5. Next one, add 4. Okay. Now add 2. We don't have space to add 2. So add the boss and subtract 2's friend. Again add 2. Now we can do it directly. So our answer is 8. Add 3. Add 2. Don't have space. Add the boss, subtract friend. Add 1 directly. That is, we have an answer 6. Add 2. Add 2 again. Now no space to add 2. So add the boss and subtract 2's friend. That is 3. We have an answer 6. I hope you got this rule. Now let's jump to the next one. The next rule tells us that if we don't have sufficient space and we want to add 3, then simply add the boss 5 and subtract 3's friend. 3's friend is 2. So let's see the sums. Add 1. Okay. Then add 2. Okay. After that, we don't have space to add 3, right? We have only one bead here. So what is 3's friend? 3's friend is 2. So we are going to subtract it. First add the boss and then subtract 3's friend, that is 2. we have our answer, that is 6. Okay. After that, add 4, then adding 3 to it. We don't have space, so add the boss. What is 3's friend? 3's friend is 2, so subtract it. After that, simply add 1. We are answer 8. Now add 1, then again add 1 and add 3 in this. There is no space, so add the boss and subtract 3's friend, that is 2. Here is our answer 5. Okay, next is adding 2, adding 3 to it, add the boss, subtract friend and add 4. Okay, 9. So this was quite simple, means the rules are same, just understand the concept. Okay. And the last rule for addition of the small friends is adding 4. If we don't have sufficient space to add 4, simply add the boss and subtract 4's friend. What is 4's friend? 1. Okay. Just like the other rules we have seen before, it's similar to that. Now let's look at the sums. Add 3. Okay, add 3. Add 4 to it. Do we have space to add 4? No. So add the boss and subtract 4's friend. What is 4's friend? 4's friend is 1. Okay. Then add 1. So here is our answer, that is 8. Next sum. Add 1. Then add 3 to it and add 4. No space, so add the boss and subtract 4's friend, that is 1. Answer is 8. Now add 2, add 4. No space again, add the boss. And what is 4's friend? 4's friend is 1. We have to subtract it. Then add 2 directly. Add 1. Okay. Then add 4. No, there is no space. So what is 4's friend? 1. So add the boss, subtract 4's friend and add 3. Here we go. Seems like all answers were 8, sorry. Okay, so did you get this? I hope it was simple and clear. Now here is all the concepts regarding the addition of small friends. Now in the next video we are going to see how to subtract this using small friends. Okay, so let's see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.